Hi there, my name is Nicole with So Much More, and today I'm going to unbox this Juki DX4000QVP. Let's learn more about the Juki DX4000QVP, otherwise known as Kokichi. Now, Kokichi is Japanese for good feeling, and I think that's really a great description of this machine because good feelings is actually an understatement when I received this machine from Juki. This machine is Juki's top-of-the-line quilting and sewing machine. After I opened the box, I set it on the table. Now, this is not a small machine. It actually weighs a little over 32 pounds. It has a 12-inch throat, and the dimensions are 23.5 inches wide, 12 inches high, and 14.4 inches deep. This is a computerized sewing and quilting machine. It also has a vast number of stitch patterns, 368 to be exact, plus 4 available fonts. It has a start and stop button, an automatic thread trimmer, an automatic needle threader, and so much more. I'm really excited about the 7-inch color touch panel. It can be operated just like a smartphone. You can connect your machine to the internet through your Wi-Fi and explore Juki's online world with Juki Sewing Net. You can watch instructional videos of projects, access the user manual, and you can even watch YouTube videos. The DX4000QVP has a ton of accessories. You can even switch out the throat plate and feed dogs to help you achieve a higher level of success with your various projects. The included extension table is easy to set up, and you can adjust the height to fit your particular table setup. And with a 12-inch throat space, this is going to be a great setup for free motion quilting. Since the feed dogs can be lowered with the push of a button, you can easily set up the machine for free motion quilting. There's also a zigzag free motion quilting set where you can enjoy free motion quilting of a zigzag pattern. I'm pretty intrigued about this since I've never done anything like that before. And don't forget the included quilting presser foot for free motion quilting. It has a raised lip so you can use your quilting rulers with no problem. Included with the machine is a really nice dust cover with included pockets. There's so many more features that I didn't have a chance to go over, but we're going to be diving into all sorts of details and fun projects with this sewing machine. That was super fun and easy to set up. We're going to be learning lots more about the DX4000QVP, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.